sorry, but I have to report a problem with my classmate.
Oh no, what happened?
He sneezes a lot.
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Sometimes his sneezes knock my things over. The other day, he sneezed so hard, his glasses flew off his face.
That's awful. I'm so sorry to hear. Well, let's see what the students have to say. Hello, Dan. How is everything going?
Sorry, but I have to report a problem with my classmate.
Oh no, you have a problem too?
I do. Hannah always makes me sneeze.
What? How does she make you sneeze?
There's something in her lunchbox.
Oh my goodness.
It tickles my nose.
You should ask the teacher about that. Hello, do you have something to tell us about the class too?
I'm sorry, but I have to report a problem with my classmate.
What? You too?
Sunny is so messy. He's always erasing his mistakes. He makes so many mistakes that our desk is always covered with erasers.
Wow, that looks so messy.
Every few minutes, I have to brush away all these pieces of eraser because it's all over my desk.